Think you know bacteria? Those little monsters that are taking over the world and the human body, inside and out, destroying lives. Yes and no. Despite 200 years of pro-sterilization campaigns, we now know that 1. Not all bacteria are bad, and 2. They help us stay healthy. And we'll let you into a secret. Over 50% of our DNA is of bacterial origin. Welcome to the invisible world. Bacteria live in an organic ecosystem called the microbiome. Do you know the gut flora? It's the same thing, but on the skin, with different bacteria and a microbiome adapted to each area. It's a real little community that can weigh as much as a big kitten. 1 square centimeter of skin equals 1 billion organisms. They include 500 species of bacteria, with even the most common making up only a tiny percentage of the population. Oh yes, the microbiome involves around 100,000 billion bacterial cells. Terrifying? Not really. The more diverse the community of bacteria, the healthier it is. And us too. The microbiome is a sort of guardian angel. When it's unbalanced, the skin barrier comes tumbling down and opens the gateway to problems. Before now, the microbiome was relatively unknown. Yet this little biological miracle should be maintained in the same way as our gut flora. It needs sources of carbon, nitrogen, trace elements, and of course, water. But not just any water. We already know about all the minerals in Laroche Posay thermal spring water and its unique composition. In fact, 9 clinical studies have highlighted its ability to communicate with the skin's immune system and so regulate inflammation. But it's also the only thermal spring water to contain a high percentage of selenium, a micronutrient whose antioxidant properties combine with calcium and strontium to form a prebiotic shield that can interact with the microbiome. It's then ready to fight harmful bacteria, the weather, and environmental aggressors. Laroche Posay has made the microbiome a top priority. In 6 years, the brand has carried out 13 clinical studies, which found links between the microbiome and skin conditions and how it can improve the health of the skin. These advances will make it possible to pamper the microbiome of all skin types, even the most sensitive ones. Now that you really know bacteria, take care of them, and take care of your skin.